teach you square root and cube root. Square root I taught you already. Now cube root I will teach. Exercise 5C. So first of all, we should know about cube. What is cube? A number is raised to power 3. Suppose 2 to the power 3. So it is called cube of 2. It is 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So cube of 2 is cube of 2 equal to 8. So cube of 3 equal to 3 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 are 9, 3 are 27. Like cube of 5, cube of 4 equal to 4 to the power 3 equal to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. Like this, you have to learn cube of 1 cube equal to 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube equal to 8. 3 cube equal to 27. 4 cube equal to 64. 5 cube equal to 125. 6 cube equal to 216. 7 cube equal to 343. 8 cube equal to 512. And 9 cube equal to 729. And 10 cube equal to 1000. And dear students, as I told, cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 1 is equal to 1. Now, cube root of 1. Like cube of 1 is 1. Then cube root of 1. You will find this is the symbol of cube root. Is 1. Cube root of 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 we can write. And from the triplet of 3, we will triplet of 2. Triplet means 1, 2, 3. From 3 to means triplet of 2. We will take out 2. And like this, 1 into 1 into 1. Triplet of 1 equal to 1. Like this, cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 125 is equal to 5. Okay, cube root of 26, 216 equal to 6. Cube root of 343 equal to 7. Okay, 1. Find the cube of each of the following numbers. First 12. Cube of 12 equal to 12 to the power 3. 12 into 12 into 12. 12 12 is 144 and 144 12 is 1728. This is the cube of 12. Now, fourth part, minus 6 upon 7. Cube of minus 6 upon 7 equal to minus 6 upon 7 to the power 3. Dear student, minus 6 upon 7 minus 6 into minus 6 upon 7 into minus 6 upon 7. Dear student, minus to the power odd number, then answer is minus 6. 6 is 36, 6 is 216. 7 7 is 49, 7 is 343. So, next, now, 8th part, .08 cube of 0.08 equal to 0.08 whole cube. 0.08 into 0.08 into 0.08. 8 is 64. It is 112. 512. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 6 digit in left side, we will put decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Digits are not there, so we will increase 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the cube of 0.08. Okay. 4. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers. So, second part, 512. We have to find the cube root of 512. So, how? This symbol of cube root. Now, we will factorize 2 2s are 4, 1 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now it is 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 3 triplet of 2. From 1 triplet of 2, we will take out 2. From 1 triplet of 2, we will take out 2. From third triplet of 2, we will take out 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. See, from this triplet, we will take out 2. So from this triplet, we will take out 2. From this triplet, we will take out 2. This is the cube root. Okay, cube root of 512. Now, we will find cube root of fourth part. Okay, and the prime factorization method is there to find cube root. Only prime factorization method. 2744 cube root. Then factorize 2744 now by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are again by 2. Why? Because last digit is 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are. Then by 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. This is cube of 7. So 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 7 1s are. Now dear students, we'll put 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7. From the triplet of 2, we will take out 2. From the triplet of 7, we will take out 7. Then 2 7s are 14. The cube root of 2744 is equal to 14. This is the answer. Okay. I find the cube root of each of the following. Number 1, 27 into 64. We have to find this. So first we have to factorize 27 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 27, 3 1s are. Then 64. 2 3s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Then at the place of 27 we have to write 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. At the place of 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times 2. Okay. So this triplet we have to make. From the triplet of 3, we will take out 3. From the triplet of 2, we will take out 2. From the triplet of 2, we will take out 2. 2, 3, 2 is 6, 2 is 12 is the cube root of this. Okay. Now, it was first part. Now, I will tell you the usual fourth part. Now, fourth part. Only we have to take out the number from triplet. Fourth part, 27 into minus 2744. This is the cube root. So dear student, cube root of negative number is always negative. So minus sign you can write first. 27 into 2744. Now, you know factorization of 27. Okay. So 27 only 2744 you will find, and this we can write direct. Okay. Cube root 3 into 3 into 3, and this by 2 you divide. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 or 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja. Last digit 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 7, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. Now by 7, because this is a cube of 7. 7 4 ja 28, 7 9 ja 63, 7 7 ja 7 1 ja. Okay. Now at the place of 2744, 2 into 2 into 2, then 7 into 7 into 7. From the triplet of 2 we will take out, from the triplet of 3 we will take out 3, from the triplet of 2 we will take out 2, from the triplet of 7 we will take out 7. Now 2 3 to the 6 7 the 42 is the answer. Okay. Find the smallest number by which 675 should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Find the cube root of the perfect cube so obtained. 675. So we have to factorize by 2. It can't be divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6 by 3. 6 7 13 5 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja, and 5 5 ja 5 1 ja. So what is the smallest number, dear student? 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5. 5 is the small. To make it, see, if triplet is not there, complete triplet is not there of any number, then it is not perfect cube. If we multiply here by 5, here by 5, then this is the triplet. Now this is the triplet of 5. So by 5 we will multiply. So 5 is the smallest number, the smallest number by which 675 should be multiplied, so that the product is perfect cube. So that the product is perfect cube. Now find the cube root of the perfect cube number so obtained. Perfect cube number 5 5 25, 5 7 35, 37, 5 6 30, 33. Now cube root of this 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Now from the triplet of 3 we will take out 3, from the triplet of 5 we will take out 5, 3 5 are 15. Now cube root of the perfect cube number is 15. Okay.